there. I'm going to pot on my chillies today. They've been with me a long time because I sowed these back in January and February. They need a really long growing period. But I can see that there are roots now coming out the bottom of these pots. So it's time to move them to a bigger pot. So I've got one here and I'll just put some compost in the bottom. That should be about right, like that. Perhaps a bit more. And then I will quickly tip it out into my hands like that. Oh, let's stop the label from falling out. And oh yes, you can see that it's more than ready to go into a bigger pot. It's reached the bottom of the pot there. So I'll just tease out those roots a little bit, like that, so that they'll be happy in their new compost. Drop it into the pot, like that. Tuck compost round the sides. I'll give it a good water after that. Let's tuck plenty of compost right in round the sides for the roots to grow into and to get strong. Okay, mustn't forget the label. And you can see that the flowers are already coming on this, so it's now time to give it a good tomato feed once a week, which is high in potassium, which will be great for the development of the fruits. I've got a smaller one here, and I shall probably use the pot that that's come out of to put this one in, which was sown later. And you can see that this is more than ready to go into its new pot. Also, you can see that it's just growing on one stem, and when they get to about this height, I pinch out the top so that it will create more branches to carry more fruit later on.